So, Bill, what's going on with courts?
So the quarantines really shut down the court system. There were no jury trials for several months. There were a lot of hearings. Eventually people figured out how to do the Zoom depots and the exhibits and so on and so forth, a lot of case management conference, but things are kind of hopefully changing in the near future. So what's going on with that?
Well, I'm happy to say this morning I was set for a live bench trial in November. My understanding, though, since we moved into phase 2, is that there will be 4 civil jury trials this year, but we don't know who those cases will be. And it looks like criminal naturally is going to get preference over the civil trials. I'm also hearing that one of the judges said she wouldn't be setting civil trials until May. So it's a little slower than we'd like it, but I will say, even though for those of us like me who are totally technology challenged, the courts I think have been moving along pretty well, and the judges have been doing a great job of making sure our cases stay in line for trial. What have you found?
I found that too. The judges are really kind of doing a good job kind of managing the cases. They are, doing everything they can to get cases resolved short of trial. And unfortunately, in what we do, the trial date is kind of the end date, puts pressure on everybody to kind of get the case resolved or tried, decided one day or one way or the other. But mediations have been able to go forward via Zoom. So we're still able to push them along. We can't kind of have the threat of trial or actually try cases. Yeah, I was hearing kind of, the spring of 2021 before we really got to trial. So it's gonna be a little while, but we're still trying to be creative in ways in which we can get cases resolved.
We're learning, I'll tell you that.
Definitely.